Hey guys, Nico here of Yugatech, and here are 5 some of the best RPGs available to play on Game Pass PC. Number 1, Wasteland 3. One of the few post-apocalypse games on here, Wasteland 3 is a turn-based tactical CRPG that takes place in the post-apocalyptic Colorado. You take command of a squad known as the Desert Rangers, as you and multiple groups try and rebuild society from the ground up. As the leader of the Desert Rangers, you're also free to recruit more members to your team and use them in combat. If you're a fan of games such as Divinity Original Sin 2, Baldur's Gate, or Pillars of Eternity, which is also on this list, then the combat should be slightly familiar to you. You and 3 other companions of your choice go into a turn-based battle system. Strategy is extremely important in this game. Making sure you have the right amount of cover or having the high ground are all important factors of getting a victory. In addition to the awesome gameplay, Wasteland 3 also allows us to play with one other friend, making this a game you could easily enjoy with another person. Number 2, The Outer Worlds. From the developers of Fallout New Vegas, another one on this list, comes a first-person RPG that fell under the radar during its release in 2019. We've talked about The Outer Worlds in a previous article, Top 5 Games to Play on Xbox Game Pass PC, which you can find on our website. But we feel like it deserves a little bit more recognition. Set in the year 2355, the player is revived by mad scientist Phineas Vernon Wells and is tasked to save the people of Halcyon. Once set out in the world, you're now free to make your own decisions. You may choose to help Phineas Wells and his goals, turn on him right from the get-go, or carve your own path. Just like most of the games on the list, the decisions you make will affect the game around you. A second Outer Worlds is also under development, so it's best up to you to hop on now while waiting for its sequel to come out. Number 3, Pillars of Eternity. An OG to the CRPG genre, the Pillars of Eternity series has been a staple for RPG fans everywhere. The third game on this list, developed by Obsidian, the game provides fantastic gameplay and even better storytelling and writing. The game takes the player to the world of Eora while on a journey to Drywood. The caravan that you are on is struck by a mysterious storm and kills most of the passengers, leaving you with a handful of characters. I'll avoid spoiling too much of the story, but as mentioned in other games on this list, your choices matter and will change the story as a whole. Number 4, Fallout New Vegas. Developed by Obsidian and published by Bethesda, Fallout New Vegas is always in the conversation when talking about one of the best RPGs out there. The game places players in the year 2281, within the region of New Vegas, which was once Las Vegas. You play as a courier working for the Mojave Express, postal service that serves New Vegas and its surrounding areas. You're then tasked to deliver an item, known as the Platinum Chip, by a mobster named Benny. He then ambushes you and is left for dead, and the story goes on from then. Just like other great RPGs out there, the decisions you will make affect how your story progresses and how other NPCs treat you, giving this game an insane amount of replayability. And the last game on this list is Scarlet Nexus. If you're into anime-looking graphics or even anime in general, this game is probably for you. Released only last year, Scarlet Nexus was one of the more unique games I've played, wherein you have the chance to choose between 2 characters, Yuito Sumeragi and Kasane Randall. Both characters have their own backgrounds, and each of their stories intertwine with one another. Starting with either story is fine, as playing both would give you the whole story of the game. The combat and gameplay is nothing new, as it is a hack and slash type of games. Nier Automata and Astral Chain both come to mind. But just like those 2 games, they bring a little bit of a twist to it. Both Yuito and Kasane do possess psychokinetic powers, being able to use the items around your environment as weapons to throw at enemies. So these are 5 RPGs you could never go wrong in playing. Have you played any of the games on the list? Did we miss anything? Let us know. And don't forget to click the like button if you love this video. Hit the notification bell to be updated of all our future uploads, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Visit our website, gaming.yugatech.com, for more gaming news and reviews. Once again, this is Nico, and I will see you in the next video.